Welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 15th of December with me, Rich Perry, market analyst. That's Hantech Markets. Let's look at cable now, and we've just had out this UK inflation data, slightly better on the core inflation, although the year-on-year headline number coming in line with expectations at plus 0.1%. So a very sort of neutral reaction really on cable, no significant move that we've seen. And it seems that it's as we were with the technicals then. So you're looking out for these this continuation, I believe, of this downtrend, and that the cable chart just fell away from that downtrend again yesterday. This resistance coming in around 52.40 with that rebound. And I think looking at the hourly chart, you can actually start to get a gauge that maybe there is a small top pattern in process. Well, if you zoom out here, you could even argue that is becoming a head and shoulders top with that move there. So this near-term support 51.05 becomes important. And interestingly enough, looking at this as well, looking at the hourly RSI, you've got these negative divergences on the hourly RSI compared to what we had with the price. Price is still rising, whereas the hourly RSI falling. Same situation with the MACD lines as well. So is that suggesting that the upside impetus in this rally has run out of steam once again at that uptrend? I've been talking about this for the last few days actually, that this uptrend coming into place could well now give us a chance to sell. Maybe that is the case again. The daily RSI unwound to 50, sort of now starting to consolidate. Stochastics also beginning to roll over. MACD lines again unwinding back to neutral. So on a medium term basis, you'd say, well, this is looking like this is the opportunity once again to sell. Now, obviously, the big caveat within this is the FOMC, and the FOMC decision tomorrow will obviously have a big driver of the outlook on cable in the coming days. But in front of that decision, certainly looks as though there's a bit of consolidation, but I'd be using, if you're trading this on the technicals, this as a looks to be like a chance to sell. Certainly if it moved below that 51 old support, which has now become the neckline of this near-term top pattern, that would again be another sell signal. So you're beginning to see some corrective signals developing on this cable chart with the negative divergence on the RSI, the possible top pattern, the big downtrend on the daily chart. They're all sort of mounting up now, so all it needs now is for a hawkish Fed, and this will drive that technical completion of the pattern. So it looks like that's what we're moving towards, and I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again later. Thank you.